How to change live transcribe text size on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on accessibility and then tap on hearing enhancements. After that, tap on live transcribe. And in here, tap on open live transcribe. Next, tap on the settings icon. And from here, in the text size section, drag on the slider bar to the right or to the left to increase or decrease the text size. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.